Welcome friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is All in All Adityan. Today we are going to fix a relay to my headlight. I'm using a powerful LED headlight. It is not a stock headlight which comes with the scooter, so I got a relay for it. Relays are very important because it prevents your battery from the extra load. This is the 4-pin relay. It is about 12 volts, 40 amps. Most of the new scooters will all have the relays. This is my outdoor version. It doesn't have. There are 4 pins there, and it is a very simple one. You have to fix number 30 to the battery, 86 to the battery negative, 87 and 85 to the light switch. You have a light switch in your scooter, so you have to cut the switch and connect the 2 wires into it. You have to use a very good strong wire, not a flimsy wire, and you should have a proper connectors to connect to the relay. This is the front portion. You have to open the 4 screws are there, then you have to take out the nose of the scooter, which is also held by 4 screws. Now once you take it out, you have to find out where is this is the wire. I have already connected one side with a strong good crimp. Also this is the relay. You have to fix it firmly. Pin number 30 will go to the positive of the battery. The other one will go to the negative of the battery. This is the other lead wire which I got from the switch. Now if your scooter has a switch, you have to cut the switch wire, and one part of the wire will go to this, the other part will go to the next point. It is a very simple process. The relay will help your battery to take the extra load. It will prevent from any short circuit or anything. I got the connection nicely soldered and with a heat shrink. Got the wire all the way down to here, and I'm going to fix both the positive and the negative is nicely and tightly fixed. Okay, I have fixed my relay so it won't come out. So that's about it. It's a simple process. Now we are going to fix a relay for a horn. The stock horn, you can hardly hear it, so I'm using a powerful horn here. So this horn also takes in a more extra amp. I am getting one more relay for this because the headlight relay, I have a few more connections to do. This is also a simple mini relay, 12 amps. Same procedure here. Pin number 30 will go to this is the one. Pin number 86 is horn wire. One will go to the positive of the battery. This is the horn wire which is coming. You have to connect it to one pin number 85. This is the horn wire, switch wire. We are going to connect the horn in series. It's a simple process. The black one is the negative to the battery, the red is positive of the battery. Then the 2 wires of the horn. One will be connected here, the other one will be connected to one socket of the horn. See, it's in series. And the blue one will be going back to the negative of the battery. I'll put up a diagram. I'm going to fix the relay also here so that it doesn't shake or fall off while driving. Most of the modern scooters, they all have inbuilt relay. My scooter has only a startup relay, so if we are going to use any HID or LED light, it would be a strain on the battery, so it is always better to have a relay. So that's about it. I got it fixed. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye. Okay friends, now I have fixed up everything. Let us see how the relay is doing this job. I have a voltmeter here, so which will indicate the voltage coming from the battery. Okay, let me switch on my headlights. This is a switch for it. Okay, it's at idle now, so it is idling. It is showing 12.1 volts. Let us increase. So as I increase it, it goes up to 3.8. It goes at 13.8 actually, and stays there. See, it goes to 13.8. Actually, if the relay was not there in idling, now this is in idling. If the relay is not there, this would show somewhere below 11.5 when you are switching on the headlight. Now you can see my headlight is on. Okay, this is a powerful headlight. Now this will easily show below 11.5. Let us check and see the high beam also. What is the difference? Now see the high beam. When you switch it on in idling, it is showing 11.9. Actually, when you are driving it, it usually shows around 13.8, even in high beam. Okay, let us check the horn. Okay, now I switched off the high beam. You see, this proves the relay is doing its work, not giving the full load to the battery and actually protecting it. Okay, thank you for watching.